Hello, YouTube. How is everybody doing today?
What's going on, guys? We got some more stuff from ISR in. If you guys saw the announcement on my Instagram yesterday, which I'll have a link, well, actually I'll just put it on screen right there. So yeah, we got ISR on board, ISR Performance on board with our 2020 drift program. So very stoked. I actually just decided to end up putting this in the same video, but yesterday they sent out their rear arms kit. So these I'm actually going to put to the side. We will open up what we have in today's packages. Special guest Trent Castell Media and Gio behind the camera. So Devin said to open this one first. He said open it right side up. This is right side up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got the shipping label right there.
I cut too deep. He said there's something in here.
That blade's not getting any further, so.
Oh my god. Jokes. These guys got jokes. So, obviously, it's a printed out picture of an avocado. I don't see the resemblance.
Like fresh produce right there.
Fresh produce. Nah, I actually came close to guessing this. I asked Devin if it was an avocado, but he said they were worried about it getting crushed in shipping, which I totally understand. So, to my understanding, yes, this should be the mounts kit. These are the LS T56, but they also work with the CD ISR mounts kit. So we'll get some product shots too. Yeah, we'll get some product shots. But these things are sick, so these are going to allow us to get the LS motor into the 350Z.
Dude, the welds on these are nice.
This stuff is super sick quality. Again, shout out Andrew, shout out ISR. Very excited to have them on board. Very excited to work with them and represent them. So under here we should have the trans bar. Yeah, this John is huge. It's for the trans. So that is the mount stuff. This box I believe is the headers, so let's switch over to that really quick and get that open. LS T56 mounts, obviously they work with the CD, so yeah, this is going to allow us to actually get the motor into the engine bay and have everything line up. This box got like damage from FedEx, bro. What?
You can barely pick it up.
It's heavy. Or it's not even that heavy. It's an obtuse, like, shape. Honestly, FedEx already did that part for me. So, gaskets. Okay, yeah, I was going to say, just, like, take one whole thing out. Obviously, kind of predicted it. These are the headers. So these are their high ground clearance swap headers. And what's actually really cool about these is they will pretty much bolt straight up to my ISR Y pipe that I have for the VQ. So it'll allow me to maintain and use the entire exhaust setup that I have right now on the car with the VQ. Although we'll probably end up changing it to their single GT exhaust because LS with blast pipes is going to be super annoying. So these are the high ground clearance headers. These things are actually tucked super nice, so very stoked on these. I believe that's all that's in this package, so dude, the welds on these are insane.
No. Heat treated. Yeah, good.
As it's about to storm. Let's see if we can.
We'll just have to get product.
Yeah, we'll have to get some product shots because these things, or this camera, like sucks at like focusing in on that stuff. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Again, massive shout out to Andrew at ISR and the entire ISR team. It's actually starting to rain, so we're gonna close this out right here. So. Again, super excited to be working with them and represent them. I'm very excited to get this stuff in the Z in between round 4 and 5 and get the LS motor in the car. Should be pretty sick, having a little bit more power, and these goodies are going to make it super possible. And honestly, they have like the best swap parts on the market, so this stuff is going to be sick. I cannot wait. Again, thank you, Andrew. Thank you, ISR. Very excited, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and it's starting to rain, so see you guys later.
Okay, I'll pull up, hop out at the after party.